Hello everyone. Today in this video we are going to look into Grammarly affiliate program. I'm sure that most of you might be aware about this website. This is a tool for writing English without any errors, and in this they help you with a digital writing assistance. Grammarly helps you write without any mistake in Gmail, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and almost any other app that you use. This tool mainly scans your text for common grammatical mistakes. It is a very popular app these days. I'm sure you might have seen ads about this app. To know more about this affiliate program, make sure you watch this video till the end. Before we jump into the video, I just want to welcome you to our Yarn internship program. This is a free internship program where we help to evolve self-sustainable skills to the youth through online platforms. And our aim is to help 1 lakh students achieve this by 2025, which is the Silver Jubilee year of IPSR. So once you join this program, here you will get project guidance from our experienced digital marketing team. Just scroll down to the bottom and you just have to fill in the form below to apply for this internship. Check out the first link in the description to know more about this program. Now, I'll tell you how you can join this affiliate program. You just have to scroll down the website and click on affiliates. Here, you can see that you have 3 options to sign up. You can click on become an affiliate, or you can become an affiliate through Commission Junction or through Share a Sale affiliate networks. Here, they have said that it is a 3-step process. That is, sign up to the affiliate program. Then you need to place a banner and write a post about the Grammarly, and then you can start earning. Under commission details here, you can see that whenever someone clicks on your affiliate link and sign up and installs Grammarly, you will get $0.20 as an affiliate commission, and when they upgrade their plan to premium, you will get $20 as commission. The cookie period here is 90 days. If you have more doubts on this, you can visit their FAQ page. Once you click over here, this is their affiliate FAQs page, and here once you click on commissions and remittance options, you can see here that they are saying that our unique commission structure gives you the chance to earn twice. That is $0.20 per free registration. You don't have to give any payment information there, and $20 per premium upgrade. That is, when someone upgrades their plan through your affiliate link, you will get $20 as commission. So this is a great opportunity for you guys to make use of this affiliate program. Okay, so once you click on become an affiliate button, you will get a form to sign up as a partner. You have to fill in your details like name, address, city under the account details, and then under user details you need to give your email address and password, and under additional questions you need to give your website. This is an important thing, okay? You need to have a website in order to sign into this affiliate program. Otherwise, you won't get accepted to this program. After that, just click on I understand, agree, and sign up. So once you sign up, you will have to wait for a few days so that they will review your account to get accepted to the affiliate program. And after that, you can just log in by entering your username and password. And this is how your dashboard will look. Once you click on grammar checker links, you will get your tracking link over here. You can click on generate tiny URL to generate the tiny URL. You can also customize your tracking link with the below options. You will get your promotional banner creatives over here where you can download and put up on your website. And then you can promote and earn money. To learn more about the different ways of promoting and to learn more about these kind of activities like different affiliate programs, you can join a free internship program, and we are here to guide you on that. To get more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.